Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making some really neat Grinch images. So we're gonna go ahead and head on over to Google is where I'm gonna start. And we are going to type in Bing Creator Image in the search field. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're gonna click on that link. This is the new Bing Image Creator that does really amazing AI images, and I'm going to walk you through how to create some pretty cool Grinch images. So you guys ready to get started? So let's go ahead and go into the search field and let's type in beautiful female Grinch, long brown layered hair, brown eyes, and let's do a red fuzzy sweater, skinny jeans, Ugg boots, Chanel handbag, holding a Starbucks cup, standing in front of a Christmas tree. Next, we just hit create. So basically what you want to do is just put in your adjectives describing what it is that you want, and you want to separate it by commas. Cool, cool, cool. Check out, let's see what we got. So we got this image. So cute. Look at the detail there. The Ugg boots, the Chanel purse, Starbucks. Oh, wow. Isn't this pretty cool, you guys? I think this is awesome. So let's say, let me go back. So let me show you. So let's say that I want to save this one. You can just click right here where it says save. And then I created a new collection, which I'm just saving mine to Grinch. Or you can go ahead and just hit download, and then it will go ahead and download up here. You'll see that it just downloads to your downloads on your computer. All right, so isn't that pretty easy? So let's switch it up a little bit. Let's do beautiful female Grinch. We'll kind of keep this the same, brown hair, and let's change this to like a white sweatshirt, and we'll keep the skinny jeans. Let's keep the Ugg boots too, perfect for winter, and we'll keep all that. And then instead of doing the Starbucks cup, let's do eating a Dunkin donut, holding a dozen of Dunkin donuts. And let's see what else I have. Okay, so are we ready? Let's hit create and see what we get. Oh, that's so cool. Isn't that so cool, you guys? I love it. Let's click to the next one. Wow. I'm gonna hit save for there. And oh, that's so cool. I like this one a lot. Look at the details. That's so cool. I'm going to hit download for that one. Wow. Okay, so let's switch it up and let's do a beautiful female Grinch. And then keep the description, white sweatshirt, okay, Ugg boots, Chanel handbag. Standing next to a handsome man, brown hair, comma, brown eyes, wearing a football jersey. And you can even get detailed and put like the name of the team. Let's see. And then we'll keep eating Dunkin' Donuts. So let's go ahead and hit create This is so addicting and so much fun, and it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You're just switching things around. Make sure you use commas. Just try to be as detailed as you can. It's so much fun. Ooh, check this out. That's so cool. All right. Yeah, that's cute. That's so cool. Let's download that one. And those donuts, I'm sorry, look so good. That's cute too. Cool. So cool. See, that gives me the idea we could do pizza too. Oh, that one's so cool. I like that. Okay, so we can do that. Let's delete this, you guys, and let's put 2 little boys. Let's put 2 little Grinch boys. 1 who is 7 years old, brown hair, brown eyes. Second boy is 11 years old, brown hair, brown eyes, drinking Coca-Cola, sitting next to Grinch, Santa Claus, and his reindeers. I have no idea what this one's going to look like. You guys ready? Wait a second. Let's see. Before we hit go, let's see. Let's maybe brown eyes. Let's do wearing. We forgot to put clothes. Wearing a white sweatshirt. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, and let's also put and both have a Santa hat. Both, let's put wearing. Both wearing a Santa hat. And then comma, space. Okay, let's hit create. Oh, so cool. Now, it did not make the boys Grinch, but that's okay. That is so adorable. That is so, so cute, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. So freaking cute. Wow. So it doesn't always get exact, but I think it does a really cool job. Don't you guys? Let's go back. Wow. I like that. Okay, so let's see what else we can try. Let's do 2 young girls. 1, both have long blonde hair, green eyes, wearing a Santa hat, red sweater, skinny jeans, Ugg boots, and 1 is 7 years old and 1 is 12 years old. Okay, sitting, and you know what, let's scroll back really quick. I don't think I did Grinch, so let's go back and say Grinch. So 2 young Grinch girls. Okay, so let's go back over here and type in sitting next to a Christmas tree with their Labrador, let's do Labrador puppy, who is wearing a Christmas sweater, let me see if there's anything else. I like to put some other little details in there. Like maybe we did Coca-Cola. So let's try, let's change this up and say drinking a Pepsi, and then comma. What else can we add? I think that's good. Okay, so this is what we have. We have, let's just double check it before we hit create. We have 2 young Grinch girls. Both have long blonde hair, green eyes, wearing a Santa hat, red sweater, skinny jeans, Ugg boots. One is 7 years old, one is 12 years old, drinking a Pepsi, sitting next to a Christmas tree with their Labrador puppy who is wearing a Christmas sweater. Anything else? I think that's good. Let's hit create. Oh, wow. That's so cute. Isn't that adorable? I love this. This would be so cool for like a Pepsi commercial. That is awesome. Wow. Okay. So cute. That dog is adorable. Wow. I love it. Isn't this just so cool? You guys, it's so much fun to do this. And let's see if there's anything else. What else can we do? Let's do one more. So let's do a family photo. Let's do a family Grinch photo. A family Grinch photo. See, this one actually didn't do the Grinch. Maybe we need to do Grinch a little bit more, but it does have the Grinch sweater. It's still cute. It's still so freaking cute. Okay, family Grinch photo. And let's do mom has long brown hair, brown eyes, wearing wearing pajamas. Let's do Christmas pajamas. Christmas pajamas. Dad is overweight, comma, brown hair, brown eyes. And let's put maybe we need to put in Grinch mom has long brown hair, and let's do Grinch dad. Grinch dad is overweight, brown hair, brown eyes, and then wearing Christmas pajamas, and then 2 young boys, age 5, brown hair, brown eyes, both wearing glasses. And actually, we didn't say 2 young Grinch boys. Let's do 2 young, Grinch boys. Okay, age 5, brown hair, brown eyes, both wearing glasses, and Christmas pajamas, and a Grinch dog and Grinch cat wearing matching sweaters let's say standing under the Christmas tree. All right, this is a real long one. Let's check it out and see if it works. You guys ready? Let's hit create. Ooh, wow. Okay. Check it out. That's pretty cool. Let's download that one. And oh, that's so cool too. Let's check out the dog. The dog looks like a Grinch dog. Wow. That's so cute. So it's not perfect, but isn't it so much fun? It's awesome. This is cute too. So I just wanted to jump on and show you guys. I saw it and I think this is pretty cool, pretty amazing website. And again, it's through Microsoft. It's the Bing Image Creator. And right now it looks like you can do it for free. I don't know how long it's going to stay that way. But I just wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. Also, if you enjoyed my video, make sure to hit the like button and maybe comment below and let me know which ones you guys like the best. Which image do you like the best? Are you guys going to do ones like with the Grinch? Are you going to do Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, you name it? Would love to hear. All right, guys, take care. Bye.